Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do the deep nostalgia filter thing on TikTok. So for that, you need one app. It's called My Heritage. So let's go to App Store and download the app. Let's download. Okay, it's done. Let's open. Okay, so when you will open for the first time, you will see the screen. So tap on sign up for free. Okay, now let's tap on sign up with Google. Okay. Okay, tap on allow. Okay, so now in the screen on the bottom you will see photos. Tap there, and in the screen on the bottom right corner of the screen you will see this add button. Just tap there and add photos. Allow access. Let me select this picture. Hit next. Let's upload the picture. Okay, let's open the picture. Now on the top you will see different option. The first option is the animation option. Tap there. Okay, give it some second. And your deep nostalgia is ready. You can tap on animation type and choose different animations. So let me go with this one for now. Now on the top right corner of the screen you will see this download button. Just tap on there to download. Okay, animation is saved. Now it's time to go to TikTok. Okay, so this is the upload button here in TikTok. Tap there. This is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. So this is the video, hit next. If you want to add some music or sticker, you can do it here, and once you are done with all your editing, hit next, and you are ready to share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this deep nostalgia filter thing on TikTok. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.